All right, guys, what's up, man? It is eBay basketball time, man. The RECON is back on the brake pad. Thank you all so much for joining. Good luck to all. May the boom be with you. I got a few folks with us for the first time, so welcome. My name is Chris, one of the co-founders. We started back in 2013 in my basement, breaking boxes and cases and bringing the boom and igniting the collectors mini and reigniting a ton of collectors. So thanks for the opportunity tonight to do that for hopefully yourself and a few others tonight. So it's a fun night. This is one of our release days too for our own buyback product called Ignition. And football is what it is. You guys can rewind and check it out if you're a football collector. Definitely want to look at it. It's an incredible buyback. It's all hits, 2 1-1s per case. There's 12 hits per. They're all premium autos and mems and big names that you'll find throughout the case run. So check it out if you'd like to. Also, if you guys are baseball collectors, we're close on a couple baseball breaks. And our basketball, you guys select 20% off. Say 20 now. It's right up there. There's the code. It's going on the scroller. So you can get 20% off now, the rest of our select and our select basketball teams. And there's also limited football is also 20% off. UFC Chrome, yes. Wayne, I tell you, man, those are awesome cards. So anyway, right off the top, too, I got to tell y'all, no purchase or payment necessary in the eBay sweepstakes. To learn more, just check out the link that is pinned to the top of our item description if you want to check that out. So I'm going to open up this here case, and we're going to pick 3 boxes. We'll kind of be working through our case here for our eBay group. So I kind of look at that as quadrants. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the die roll. Man, I missed. Clear over there. All right, it's a 2. So the top 3 we'll use for tonight, and then these will all go back on the shelf. And Artie will pick 3 of these for y'all tomorrow. All right. All cards shipped, guys. Any multi-team card, you got to own over 50% to keep it. Otherwise, we'll randomize it. Shipping always goes out within 3 days. Yeah, Wayne, I know. I came straight from church back home with my mom, and I've probably gone hatless with the anchor, the news anchor hair, Wayne, maybe 5 times. But yeah, I need a haircut, so you kind of got the double whammy here. I'm going directly from here to the News Channel 5 for the 11 o'clock news. I gotta hurry up and break. I gotta hurry up, you know. Maybe I'll make it in time for the 12 o'clock. Anyway, I better run through your teams, your names, guys. All cards ship. What did I say about the multi? I already did it, right? We'll randomize it if somebody doesn't own over 50% of the card. Yeah, I did all that in the shipping. Okay. We are live Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursdays, Fridays when there's release days. I'm usually live with you guys on Wednesdays and Fridays during the day. Sunday nights, and then Artie's got the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Wednesday, Thursday nights. All right, man. So good luck, everybody. May the boom be with all, including Brian F. with the Sixers, Nicholas W. with the Bulls and the Pacers, Brent N. with the Heat, Megan N. Blazers, Calvin N. Spurs, Sean G. Cavaliers, Richard V. S. Richard V. H. Man, I can't even talk. I got some weird dry. All right, Magic. James D. Rockets, JM with the Pellies, Travis L. Hawks, Nets, Kings, and Jazz, Laura S. with the Nuggets and the Thunder, Nate, Hornets, Pistons, Grizz, Timberwolves, Raptors, and the Wizards, Merrick H. Suns, Shannon T. Dub with the Celtics, the Clippers, and the Bucks, Cortez M. Warriors and Lakers, David D. with the Knicks, and Charles R. with the Mavericks. All right, that should be everybody. Let's see what we can hit, man. I must have dropped this thing on the floor. I'll put it in. Sorry, guys. I don't want to roll over stuff. And make a little platform here. All right, so this is going to be 55. So I think I'm good. Need some of those possibly. All right, guys, so let's rip and roll Recon. This 3-box break, the first 3. You guys got dibs. You can see what's going to be hidden in these 3 boxes. All right, so base, and a Brooks, number to 199, Dylan Brooks. For the Rockets, Rock the Rim, Joel Embiid. And rookie card of G. Jackson. Oh, all right. First box going to deliver something fun on the window. Maxence Prosper. Really nice card, man. That's 15 out of 16, Charles. The Dallas Mavericks spot. Hits that Recon window on the window autograph. Olivier Maxence Prosper. Those are awesome. With the draft, there he is, Jerry West, the logo in the background there. Really nice design. All right, also a KD. And, whoa, that's numbered. That's gold. Boom! 8 of 10. Amen. Wow. What a pack. James, Houston spot. That's a winner. Future Legends. Gold parallel of Amen Thompson. Man, that'll work. Did Denver go ahead and close out the game, or is it still going on? Mathurin in the hollow silver. And there's Edwards trying to do everything he can to, stay alive, I suppose. Oh, there's a Wemby on the back. Let's show it. Nice. Rookies. Portraits. Victor Wembanyama. What? Sean, you're kidding me. No way. They were down huge. Boom. Calvin, congrats. My first Wemby back there of the night. Came in here in box number 1. Roddy to 299. Decoy, Bobby Portis. Hollow. Shafino Rook. And there's another insert rookie, Amen Thompson. Wow. Wow. I assume Edwards was in the middle of it. Woo, another Victor. Wow, another Victor. Calvin. Base. I was hoping for a number on it. That's incredible. Timberwolves. Knocking them out. All right, guys, another auto. Oh, it's Golden State. Warriors. Cortez. Your autograph subject is named Lester Quinones. At 149. 163 of 149. And that's a rookie hollow for Minnesota. Leonard Miller. Conley hollow and Asar Thompson. Boom. I love these cards, man. The rookie reviews. It might have something to do with us pulling a LeBron Gold the very first year in Recon. We get one of the biggest, and a LeBron James rookie review with the Cavs. That's a really nice hit. Paulo Banchero for the Orlando Magic. Richard, very nice, man. And Kobe White for the Bulls to $2.99. Still a couple packs here left in box 1. Jalen Duren, Detroit. Purple out of 75. And a Vector of Giannis. These are fun cards, man. And a Keontae Rook. A Holo Gallinari. And a Hawkins rookie Vector for the Pellies. All right, into box 2 we go. Gordon Hayward, and there is the Brandon Miller rookie. Oh, we got is that a parallel? No. Anthony Black rookie portraits. Oh, there's a numbered card on the next one though, and it is a purple Vector of Zion, 74 of 75. Pardon me, guys. I need to get another box. Top loads, box, pack. Another Victor. Come on, a Victor Vector. What's your Vector, Victor? What's your Vector? Come on, man. I want a gold one. Calvin. Getting it done tonight on the Victors. My friend, we got 3 now. And an autograph. That's the Kenyon Martin. Not Junior. That's Pops. Old New Jersey Nets jersey. 79 on 149. Wow. Kenyon Martin. Holy cow. And a rookie holo for the Lakers. Lewis. Isaiah Stewart holo and a Trae Young Vector. The mighty Giannis. Giannis. Always good to see the Bucks. If you got the Bucks, hitting some Giannis insert action. Porzingis to $2.99. And ooh, a nice Shaedon Sharpe to 49. 16 out of 49. Halliburton and Walker. Halliburton probably up arrow after Indiana knocked out the... Oh, there's LeBron. Rock the rim. Rock the rim. LeBron James. And there's an Anthony Davis. That's a holo. Holo and a decoy in there too. All right, final 3 packs of box number 2. Oh, that's sweet. Bucks Recon Fusion. Damian Lillard. Wow. You're hitting them. Shannon. Boom. We got the Salts, Clips, and the Bucks. It's the Bucks doing it. Awesome. Super short print insert of Damian Lillard. And there is Kings, a bonus to 199. Russell Westbrook and Brandon Miller. Man, these autographs really stick. The last two Future Legends, that's a Koulibaly rookie insert. And a numbered rookie, Hendricks to 299. All right, guys, behind Scotty Barnes, a redemption autograph. It's a rookie Recon Signatures blue parallel. Card 23, Tamani Camara. I'm still not super familiar with these guys, so Camara is playing for who not these days. Let's see if I got my, oh, no, the checklists are gone. All right, hold on. Just got to look real quick. Feel free to hit me up if you hit the chat. I'm trying to get there quick. Camara, why does he feel like Portland? Okay, it's Portland. I knew it was a red team. I was about to say Toronto, actually, but all right. So Camara, Portland Trailblazers. You be right, Sean. Good job, man. Blazers got a couple of good rooks, I guess. They got a lot. Well, they got lots of young talented hoopsters out there. All right, so Toronto it is, and we got one more pack from box number 2. Trae Young Hollow and Brandon B-Pod for the Warriors. All right, that's 2 boxes. All right, let's see. Oh, LeBron James. Oh, boy, it's numbered. Boom. 2 out of 25. You serious? Congrats, Lakers. The Lake Show, Cortez. You got the Warriors and the Lakers both. And that's a pretty cool LeBron James. 2 out of 25. Vector, baby. Vector. Wembanyama's back there, too. All right, a Tatum rock the rim. So, and a hollow and Aaron Gordon. Autograph. Miami, Drew Smith for the Heat. 33 of 99. 33.99. So Miami. Brent, congrats. Autographed. Oh, we got a rookie hollow of Hood-Schifino. And Fleet Feet, Donovan Mitchell for the Cavs. Will he still be a Cav? Draymond, green. Got a $2.99. Jordan Hawkins, rookie insert. Future Legends. G.G. Jackson. David Roddy Hollow and a Mathurin. Red Parallel Milwaukee, Malik Beasley. to 199, and Colby Jones. Rookie for the Kings. Decoy, Kobe Buffkin. Recon rookie. Oh, nice card here for OKC. Shea Gilgeous. 62 of 75. Laura, congrats. Got Denver and OKC tonight in this one, and it's the Thunder that do win for you. 62 of 75. Really nice. Shea Gilgeous. Hello, Colin Sexton, the former Calf. Cam Whitmore, a rookie recon. Wow, another redemption card. Totally stuck. Got my eyes peeled for those. All right, Drew Holiday, Fleet Feet. And Hornets rookie. That's at a 99 there on the Nick Smith Jr. All right, redemption. Rookie Recon Red Parallel. Card 39, Jalen Wilson. Jalen Wilson. Can I find him fast? I don't know. I know I've seen this. Oh, he's not in the base set. Brooklyn Nets. Brooklyn Nets. How about that? Brooklyn again. Second auto. Travis. You think that's Sean? That's yeah, boy. You're right. That's what I've heard too. That if he does stay, then Garland's going to be requesting a trade. All right, last pack. Pretty nice 3-box break, guys. Thanks for being a part of it. Hey, there's a numbered Trae Young to 299. And a Zion Vector and Cam Whitmore base rookie. All right. We'll have to give you guys a quick little recap here. I sleeved up all the rookie inserts and other, superstar cards. So there's Whitmore, Buffkin, and Jones. Hawkins, Mitchell, Hood Shafino's that's a hollow rookie. Any kind of variation rookie, I got him in a sleeve there, including the inserts. So Brandon Hendricks to 299. Koulibaly, Miller base on that one. Hallie Burton, Giannis, Lewis Hollow, Anthony Black, Brandon Miller, Hawkins and Giannis. Edwards, Thompson, Miller Hollow, and Amen on there. The serial numbered Trey to 299, Smith Jr. to 99, Beasley 199, Green 2, Sabonis 1, Sharp to 49 there for Portland. Porzingis 2 out of 75 on the Duran, Kobe 2, David Roddy 2, and the Dylan Brooks red to 199. Nets redemption of Jalen Wilson to 75. Gilgeous. I got the Drew Smith autograph to 99. A Camara blue rookie recon autos. LeBron rock the rim insert. Kenyon Martin. Kenyon to 149. Zion to 75. Paulo rookie review. Quinones to 149. Amen gold to 10. That was pretty cool. On the window, really nice. Maxence Prosper autograph to 16. And in the back row, Damian Lillard, the Fusion insert. LeBron 2 of 25 Vector. And then we hit the Vector Victor, the Portrait Victor, and the Rookie Recon. So 3 nice little Wembies going out to our Spurs spot. And that'll conclude the eBay breaks for tonight. Thank you so much for joining. Artie will be firing up tomorrow night, and we'll be doing the eBay breaks for you. And plus, of course, anything through our website at bomberbreaks.com. So we'll go back and do the Ignition football. And if anything else fills up, we'll get her done tonight. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. So thank you all. If you're taking off, keeping the fairway, as my Uncle Bomber used to say. And as they say in showbiz, that's good. That's a wrap. Trapper. That's the one. All right. Thank you.